Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Komal, Pranavi, and Preeti for joining in. Um, आज का सेशन थोड़ा स्पेशल है। क्यों? क्योंकि आज हम सिर्फ समझने नहीं वाले हैं, बट आज हम अप्लाई करना शुरू करेंगे बिकॉज वी आर स्टेपिंग इनटू पार्ट 2 ऑफ द बुक, दैट इज प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन। तो हमने कोशिश करनी है कि हम अपने आप को ओपन रखें टू लर्न ऑल ऑफ इट वॉट एवर इज गोइंग टू बी टॉट इन पार्ट 2 ऑफ दिस बुक। सो पार्ट 1 में 3 चैप्टर्स थे, पार्ट 2 ऑल्सो हैज 3 चैप्टर्स। बट बिफोर वी मूव अहेड, लेट लेट्स जस्ट रिमाइंड अवरसेल्व्स कि अभी तक हमने क्या समझा है। ठीक है? तो हमने समझा है कि लाइफ रैंडम नहीं है। लाइफ जो है कॉन्शियसनेस पे बेस्ड है। 200 के नीचे फियर, स्ट्रगल, ईगो, क्रिबिंग, क्राइंग, ब्लेमिंग, गिल्ट, एवरीथिंग इज देयर। 200 के ऊपर है पावर है, ट्रूथ है, फ्लो है, कॉन्फिडेंस है एंड ग्रोथ है। हमने ये भी समझा कि इनफैक्ट, और इसके बाद एक और हमने लेवल समझा है कि 500 एंड अबव, दैट इज ब्लेस ब्लिस, राइट। उसके बाद हमने ये भी समझा है कि हम रियलिटी नहीं देखते हैं, हम अपने परसेप्शन देखते हैं इन द वर्ल्ड, हाउ एवर इट इज ऑपरेटिंग, राइट। उसके बाद एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, जो हम इनफैक्ट सीखेंगे मोस्ट प्रोबेबली कि लेटिंग गो इज द की। डू नॉट होल्ड ऑन टू एनीथिंग, डू नॉट क्लिंग ऑन टू एनीथिंग। बेसिकली पार्ट 1 ने हमको अभी तक ये बताया है कि लाइफ का सिस्टम क्या है, और आज से हम लाइफ जीना शुरू करेंगे। कैसे जीनी है वो समझना शुरू करेंगे। तो पार्ट 2 इज अबाउट प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन, मतलब कि कैसे हम अपनी लाइफ को कॉन्शियसली शिफ्ट करें। ठीक है? सो let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can start reading this part today. I'm just going to read the introduction of part 1, part 2 today, so that वो भी इम्पोर्टेंस होल्ड करता है, राइट। हमारे को वेट भी होनी चाहिए ना पार्ट 2 के अंदर सीखने की। एनीवे, in this section, Dr. Hawkins applies part 2 practical applications. In this section, Dr. Hawkins applies the map of consciousness to 3 areas of vital human interest: physical health, success, and addiction recovery. One key teaching is what we hold in mind tends to manifest. Another teaching is the all important practice of courtesy to others, which he says we cultivate in this way. In traffic, always let others cut in front of you. Herein, he promises, lies the secret power of success. In chapter 6, on recovery from addiction, we benefit from Dr. Hawkins' decades of clinical experience with the 12 steps and his close relationship with Bill Wilson, co-founder of Alcoholics Anonymous. Traditions such as Anonymous as a spiritual foundation, principles before personalities, and attraction, not promotion, keep a group in right alignment. He also suggests that the 12 steps can be applied to any human problem, including overcoming our addiction to the ego itself. Overall, the journey of healing is to let go of the negative energies that block the expression of our innate happiness and joy. When the clouds are removed, the sun shines forth is one of Dr. Hawkins' favorite axioms. Here is a story he tells as an example of the process. The more we let go, the more loving we become. More and more of our lives will be spent doing things that we love to do, with people for whom we feel increasing love. As this happens, our lives become transformed. Love is the most powerful of the कौन सी एनर्जी है? Emotional energy vibrations. For love, people will go to any lengths and things that they would never do for any amount of money. When the negative blocks and I can'ts are removed, whole new area of life opens up to us. Let's take the example of a young woman with a lot of natural musical talent who was spending most of her time at a boring job, which she felt she had to stick for financial reasons. What she really liked to do was play musical instruments when she was alone at home. It was something she did strictly for personal enjoyment. Because of the lack of self confidence, she seldom played for other people, even close friends. After she began to let go of her inner limitations, all the low energy feelings that were blocking her self expression, her abilities and confidence grew so rapidly that she started to play in front of public gatherings. Her talent was well received and a busy musical career ensued. She made a professional recording that was sufficiently successful that she could cut back to working part time and she began to pour more time and energy into what was now a blossoming career that brought her great joy and satisfaction. Although she had known nothing about business, she now started her own musical business and within a year she was distributing the recordings across the nation, then in Europe. To her delight, she found that she was very successful by doing what she liked to do best. Her increasing vitality and happiness was apparent to everyone, and success spread to other areas of her life. Success stems from doing what we like to do best. But most people are tied down to what they imagine they have to do. As limitations are relinquished, whole new avenues of creativity and expression becomes available. In the example of musician who was willing to let go of her fear and self-doubt, you can see how this single inner shift opened up her outer life in a way she had never imagined. All right. So, chapter 4 is going to be about health and happiness, but we are not going to read that today. We are going to just discuss this one today. Oh my God, what a surprise. Good evening, Madhulika. Thank you for joining in after a long time. All right. So, क्या समझे जो सुना उससे? Komal, would you like to go first?
Yes, Karishma. It says that we should follow our heart and we should not get stuck in a job, uh, maybe due to financial reasons.
Mhm.
So we should follow our passion. Uh, we should figure out, the example has been given that uh, about a lady. So, yep, that's it.
Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that. Preeti, would you like to share your insights?
uh, like writer talked about whatever we hold in our mind, it manifests, and
Hmm.
you can solve any problem, even overcoming your ego by
Hmm.
applying 12 steps. And
Hmm.
he gave example of a woman who was doing job, and because of she used to like music and playing music, but because of lack of confidence she was not able to perform in front of others. And how slowly she tried to like uh, like following her passion, and then she became successful.
Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. देखा, एक पॉइंट ऐड हो गई इसमें from
Hmm.
what Komal had said. Let's hear it from Pranavi.
What takeaway I have taken was it's like the author is trying to tell that I mean, for each and every person, there will be few inner blocks that may be in the form of fear, doubt, or whatever. So once if you try to clear those inner blocks, you'll definitely connect to your authentic self. And every soul has uh, talents. It has its own natural talents, and if you clear those blocks, then you would definitely know what you would love to do. So
Hmm.
once if you really work on your skills, I mean, after removing the blocks and all, then that is the real growth. That is the real life you are going through, and that's the real successful life. So that's the, I mean, with that he has given example about the musician
Hmm.
who tried to follow her heart
Hmm.
by just removing her mental blocks. She was
Hmm.
able to connect to her inner self,
Hmm.
and in that way she was able to be successful in the field of music.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So
And Pranavi, while we were reading this, it was reminding me of you. You also,
yeah,
are a lover of
true,
music.
true, true,
So
true.
could you resonate somewhere there?
These days, yes, Karishma, I somewhere feel that, I mean, it's not that I'm degrading the other things, but then if you wanted to go for dance or if you wanted to work on a music instrument,
Hmm.
anyone can work on it. But then if you really want to sing, you should be blessed with a melodious voice, especially that proper, Carnatic music or whatever.
Hmm.
So it's like when you really wanted to work on your inner skill, you should also be thankful to the God that some or the other talent would be given to each and every soul. So I feel very thankful that okay, this particular thing is given by God to do the service for the God itself.
Hmm.
So that's really a blissful thing. But these days again, I have just left my practice from past 2 or 3 days, just
Hmm.
busy with the other materialistic things which are really not needed to me. But then I don't have choice. So
Hmm.
that way, I feel like I need to work more on myself. That is what the inner blocks and all. Then I'll get much clarity to, to segregate which is the main purpose and work on it. So yeah,
Hmm.
something like that.
So, what I want to ask you, Pranavi, is that like this lady had block of performing in public or something. So, do you sing for your, at least for your family or,
A lot,
cause,
a
yeah?
lot. In my community, as I also have presented it many times, and these days I'm thinking that I don't know. I mean, most of them do enjoy, no choice about it. But then at times, all the time monotonous. Any celebration, again, me coming and singing there. These days, I felt even bore about that thing also. Then I thought, no, no, no. I have to feel that right now the God is there in front of me, and then
Ah,
I'm singing for Him.
ah,
So yeah, I don't
wonderful.
have that public fear also, Karishma.
Beautiful,
So
wonderful. So, when do we get to hear you?
I don't know. As I told you, it's like I've lost the practice for about 3 to 4 days. So again, that real voice, the sweetness will not come. Somewhere it'll be blocked again. Again, if I practice for 1 or 2 days, again it'll get connected.
ठीक है, तो
And
practice.
tomorrow I have Sriram Navami, and I know so many kirtanas
हाँ?
about Ramdas and all. But literally, my inner child is just not ready to, to practice also. It's not allowing me to open the book also. I don't know the reason. So I'm just being with my own self.
Hmm. Great, great, great. But you were prominently in my head when I was reading that, and I was like, I'm going to talk to Pranavi on this now.
So sweet.
Madhulika, do we have? Thank you so much, Pranavi,
Yeah.
for sharing. Madhulika, do we have you with us?
Hi, Karishma.
Hello, so nice to hear your voice.
Thanks, Karishma. Thank you. So, yeah, but then I have nothing to share. I'm just a passive listener and I'm enjoying you and everyone talking over here. I'm just enjoying to be in the room.
Wonderful, wonderful. चलो फिर enjoy करो हमारे को. But we missed your energy since so many days now. Yeah. चलो मैं बताती हूँ जो मैंने समझा इसमें। एक बहुत ही पावरफुल लाइन यूज करी गई थी, दैट वाज what we hold in mind tends to manifest, just like Preeti also shared, right? I want to ask you a simple question. आप दिन भर ज्यादा क्या सोचते हो? पॉसिबिलिटीज या प्रॉब्लम्स? सच क्या है? लाइफ आपको वो नहीं देती जो आप बोलते हो। लाइफ आपको वो देती है जो आप अपने अंदर से फील करते हो, आप अपने अंदर होल्ड करते हो। दैट मीन्स लाइफ गिव्स यू व्हाट यू ट्रूली 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 बिलीव इन। In this book, Magic of Thinking Big, there is a very beautiful example that has been shared that says कि if there is a person who is going for an interview, so he writes the interview, he clears the first round, he clears the second round, he goes for the interview. Third round में he gets rejected. And when he gets rejected, he comes back home and he says, मेरे को वैसे भी पता था कि होना ही नहीं था। नाउ जब आप इस चीज को अपने दिल के अंदर ऑलरेडी समझ चुके हो कि मुझको तो पता है कि होना नहीं है, चल फिर भी ट्राई कर लेते हैं, वो तुक्का मारने जाते हो। दैट इज नॉट हाउ थिंग्स हैपन। You have to believe in yourself that yes, I can crack it, and then you go with that energy and you can see and you will see that things will happen for you. When you have doubt in yourself and you just go for a trial, then only trial happens. अगर आपके अंदर चल रहा है कि मेरे से नहीं होगा, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, तो आपका एक्शन भी वीक होगा। आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड आपको ऑल द एग्जाम्पल्स दे देगा कि व्हाई इज इट दैट यू कैन नॉट अचीव इट। और अगर अंदर है कि आई विल फिगर आउट, आई कैन फिगर दिस आउट, आई कैन डू इट, तो आप ट्राई करोगे और ग्रो करोगे, क्योंकि यू नो एंड यू आर फर्म ऑन योर सेल्फ, यू बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ दैट यस आई कैन फिगर दिस आउट। ये योर लाइफ इज नॉट क्रिएटेड बाय योर डिजायर्स, इट इज क्रिएटेड बाय द डोमिनेंट एनर्जी that you hold. It is created by the strong beliefs that you carry inside of yourself. What you need to understand is आपका dominant thought क्या है, especially आजकल। Honestly notice करो and you will see कि कहीं ना कहीं वहां पर lack होगा, जिसकी वजह से आपकी लाइफ में you are not where you exactly you wish to be. Yeah. इसके बाद इसके अंदर ये भी बात, एक और इंटरेस्टिंग बात कही गई है कि ट्रैफिक में ऑलवेज लेट अदर्स गो फर्स्ट, पावर ऑफ कर्टसी। Yeah. By the way, I want to tell you that this is not about driving tip. It is not a driving tip. ये कॉन्शियसनेस का लेवल है। जब कोई आपको कट करता है तो यू हैव टू ऑप्शंस। नंबर 1, रिएक्ट। नंबर 2, अलाउ। रिएक्ट क्या करता है? ईगो। अलाउ कौन करता है? अवेयरनेस। तो फिर जब आपके पास ये विजडम आ चुकी है कि मेरे पास चॉइसेस भी सिर्फ दो ही हैं, या तो मैं रिएक्ट कर लूं या फिर मैं अलाउ कर दूं, तो व्हाई नॉट लीव द ईगो असाइड। जहां आप छोटी जगह पे ईगो छोड़ देते हो ना, लाइफ बड़ी बड़ी जगह पर आपको उठा देती है। Yesterday, as only yesterday in the morning session we were discussing, and I was reiterating the example wherein Life's Amazing Secrets में हमने पढ़ा था कि गौर गोपाल दास and Mr. Iyer were traveling, and while they were traveling there was a lot of traffic jam, and there were people who would come out of the, so हमने यहाँ पे भी देखा है राइट, कि जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक जैम हो जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा शोर, honking, everything starts happening, and few people will come out of the car, some will shout, some will बहुत कुछ हो जाता है। and there would be few people who will be enjoying whatever they are doing in the car and be like, ठीक है भैया, जब चलेंगे चलेंगे, तब तक गाने सुन लेंगे, if they have something to listen like podcast और बुक्स पढ़ ले। आजकल लोग ट्रैवल करते करते बुक्स, इतनी सारी ऑडियो बुक्स सुन लेते हैं। तो यू ऑलवेज हैव अ चॉइस कि आप किसी भी चीज के ऊपर रिएक्शन करते हो कि यू अलाउ इट टू बी। आप कहाँ अननेसेसरी रिएक्ट कर रहे हो, चेक फॉर दैट विद इन योर सेल्फ। घर में कर रहे हो, ट्रैफिक में कर रहे हो, रिलेशनशिप में कर रहे हो, कहाँ कर रहे हो? दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई वुड लव फॉर यू टू रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन। एंड देन अगेन एक और लाइन थी इसके अंदर अबाउट द क्लाउड्स, एंड आई एक्चुअली स्पोक अबाउट द क्लाउड्स yesterday as well as a metaphor. तो when clouds are removed the sun shines, मतलब आपको हैप्पी बनना नहीं है, आप ऑलरेडी हैप्पी हो। हमारे आगे क्लाउड्स आ जाते हैं ऑफ डाउट, फियर, एंजाइटी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट, जिसकी वजह से यू फील दैट यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, बट द ट्रू फॉर्म ऑफ यू इज हैप्पी सोल। इट इज ओनली द आउटर थिंग्स, लोग क्या कहेंगे, सेल्फ डाउट, गिल्ट, फियर, whatever, these all are clouds. You don't need to become happy, you need to remove what blocks it. Clouds को इधर उधर करना है, because you are already a sunshine. एक और बड़ी प्यारी बात करी थी, कितनी सारी चीजें पकड़ी है मैंने, राइट? Love is the most powerful energy. Have you seen when you are in a love, right? You feel so big, you feel so expanded. Fear क्या करता है? आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है। लव क्या करता है? लव एक्सपैंड्स यू। फियर बोलता है हमारे को कि मत करो, अपने आप को सेव रखो, ठीक है, बस इतना बहुत है। लव बोलता है जाने दे यार, देखा जाएगा, खुल जाओगे आप, बिंदास काम करने लगो। लव आपको बोलेगा लेट्स करो, लेट्स करो। जहां लव होता है ना, वहां लाइफ ओपन होती है। अब हम अपनी लाइफ में इसको काम पे देके हमारे को देखना पड़ेगा कि हमारे मोस्टली डिसीजंस जो होते हैं वो फियर से आ रहे हैं कि लव से आ रहे हैं। And last but not the least, there was a beautiful example of a woman, beautiful, young lady who had a talent. Music उसकी जान था, I would say, लेकिन वो एक बोरिंग जॉब में फंसी हुई थी, राइट? क्यों था वो? सेल्फ डाउट था, कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी थी, और एक डिसीजन जो उसने लिया कि मैं अपने अंदर के डर को छोड़ दूंगी या व्हाटएवर, ग्रेजुअली शी स्टार्टेड परफॉर्मिंग, लोगों को पसंद आया, एंड कहाँ से कहाँ फ्लरिश हो गई, करियर बन गया, राइट? तो लाइफ कब चेंज हुई? जब जॉब चेंज हुई, जब उसने अपने अंदर के डर को छोड़ा। जॉब चेंज करने से नहीं हुई, जब उसने अपने अंदर के डर को छोड़ा, शी एक्सपैंडेड, शी वेंट ऑल आउट, दैट इज व्हेन द लाइफ शिफ्टेड फॉर हर। So outer success, your bank balance, your health, every relationship that you are living is all the result of the inner shifts that you experience. It is the direct mirror to you. अब आप अपनी लाइफ में देख लो कि आपका कौन सी जगह पे ठीक नहीं चल रहा है, उसको आपने कैसे ठीक करना है. There is something that needs to shift inside of you with, with which the outer will is going to reflect as well. Yeah. और क्या था? एक और था, सक्सेस कम्स फ्रॉम डूइंग व्हाट वी लव. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे आती है पता है? प्रॉब्लम आती है, लोग वो नहीं करते जो उन्हें पसंद है. लोग वो करते हैं जो उन्हें लगता है करना पड़ेगा. हैव टू, आई हैव टू डू इट is the biggest prison. मेरे ख्याल से मैंने एक दिन पहले भी आपको ये बोला था कि अगर इफ फियर वॉज नॉट एन ऑप्शन, इफ यू हैड नो फियर एट ऑल, अगर डर ना होता तो आप क्या करते? लिखना इसके बारे में. Would you write it? Or would you like to share now that we are sitting here? Komal, what would you do if fear was not there?
Actually, I didn't think about it.
You
I
didn't
still
think
have
about
to,
it.
yeah, I still have to think.
प्रीति, आप क्या करते?
Maybe to reflect on that.
Pranavi, what would you do?
As I told you, I have so many funny things. So, I would literally be in my night dress all the day.
Hmm.
Even for gatherings also, I would love to wear my own night dress seriously. So I
Ah.
can be at my own comfort level, but then as fear factor is there, the fear of people or whatever.
Hmm.
So yeah, that is at uh, that is at a different hilarious level. But then seriously, if fear wouldn't be there, I would really express my real authentic self to the people around me. I would
Hmm.
really tell what are those key, exactly. To be honest, I can go with my natural confidence, and yeah, showing talent, skills and all is absolutely fine, but then expressing my own self would be the greatest thing I would do,
Hmm.
regardless of what the other person is thinking.
Expressing your
So
thoughts, expressing your own um, perceptions and everything.
yes, because if I really open up myself, uh, I mean, there wouldn't be any fear of getting detached from the people, but then fear factor will always be there.
Hmm.
So that's the thing.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that.
Yeah.
And Madhulika, if you are with us, what would you do अगर डर ना
Karishma, how much do you know me? You tell me. What would I do? Tell me.
हो? छोड़ छाड़ के चले जाते सबको.
Exact. I would have been living alone. Right.
वाह, दर्शन हुए ना.
बहुत पहले मैं छोड़ के चली जाती. डर डर ही था वो. सोसाइटी, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज या व्हाटएवर. हाँ, ये उन्होंने किए थे. And I openly tell this to my husband also. that it's not about you. It's not
Hmm.
about him being whatever person he is. No, it's not about being him, but it's about me. This is not what I wanted to do in my life.
Hmm.
I really wanted to live. AC इनको गर्मी लग रही है. So
इनको अच्छा इनको आजकल यहाँ है
नहीं नहीं. He's my father. I'm
अच्छा
in hospital with my dad. I
वो
tell
क्या
you.
हो गया
Yeah,
इज ही ओके
no, he's not okay. He's there. He's sitting next to me. I'm sitting next to him. So
God bless him with the speedy recovery.
mm,
हम्म श्योर अब क्या
तो
कर
मैं
सकते हो उसके बारे में
yeah.
you always have two
Now I'm
choices
cut. No, no. I'm working on it. I've started.
living my
I've
life
started my journey. I've started my journey. I know I've started my journey. I am. It's not. और ये बाद में समझ में आया. It's not important to be physically apart. I mean, like geographically apart. I think somewhere somehow I've cut my cords.
Hmm.
So once you are emotionally not that dependent, not that, that is what hurts us. That is what
Hmm.
that the person is emotionally unavailable, and we feel emotionally deprived or being not understood or not being, not the person is not being empathetic enough. So that is where I've started working on. I am on the journey. I don't know whether it will take me to this is right or wrong. It will take me to the destination where I want it to be, but it's
Yes, I have
peaceful.
started.
It's peaceful. So far, it is peaceful.
Wonderful, wonderful. ठीक है कोई बात नहीं डर के बाद जीत गए
हाँ, exactly. Let me try this also.
Yeah.
लाइफ में ट्राई नहीं किया तो क्या किया?
हाँ एटलीस्ट ये गम नहीं रहना चाहिए कि ट्राई ही नहीं
कि
किया था
ट्राई नहीं किया. Yes, I really want to, and I'm working on it. I've to an extent I have disconnected the cords.
What we need to understand is आपको लाइफ चेंज नहीं करनी है आपको अपने अंदर जो चल रहा है ना उसको चेंज करना है दैट कॉन्शियसनेस लेवल नीड्स टू शिफ्ट जब आप अंदर से शिफ्ट होते हो लाइफ ऑटोमेटिकली शिफ्ट हो जाती है Think about it. सोचना है इसके बारे में Yeah. Chalo, that's it for today. But before we close today's session, there was something that was in my head. कि आज मेरे को ये discuss करना है. You all have been in this place since couple of months now, right? So, what is it that holds you in this space? Because I was thinking to, put out some reels and videos and everything out. And I was thinking to check with you all that what is it that you got in this book reading club? जो मैं बोल सकती हूँ लोगों को कि हाँ आपको ये मिलेगा and people have experienced it. If you had to tell people why they should be joining this book reading club, what would you tell them?
I'll take the lead, Karishma, because I have my class coming up within the next 3 to 4 minutes. You'll get the answers of the questions that you don't even know that they exist.
Mhm.
It'll make your life simpler. You'll get clarity. You'll feel empowered. You'll be wise. Every single day, you'll meet with your wiser self.
Wow, that's so thoughtful and sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much, Madhulika, for that. Of course, I agree with the kind of, especially the books that we have chosen so far have been beautiful and they have
Why
worked
are you
wonders.
being thankful here?
No, I'm just happy that there is something that has shifted that is helping you through this Presence.
We all should be thankful. I mean, why are you being thankful?
Because it is not me who does this. It is because of you all, because of whom this happens, right? So, thank you. Komal, would you like to share?
Yeah, Krishna. We get to know different aspects of human psychology by the kind of books that are being chosen. Uh, it's a wonderful experience. Mhm. Every day, little growth. It's somewhere different aspects of my personality, of other people's personality, I'm able to uncover that and, uh, you know, kahin na kahin wo clarity is coming to me. Yep.
Wow,
Thank you so much.
अरे मेरे को thank you मत करो. I'm glad that this is happening. I'm glad that this is happening. And Komal, did you see any shift in your own personal life, your personal journey, or any sphere of your life, when you think कि हाँ ये इन sessions को join करने की वजह से you have seen that shift?
I've stopped absorbing, other people's energy, the
Mm.
negative, uh, which I used to. और कहीं ना कहीं वो blockages आ रहे थे
Mm.
और unnecessary stress जो मेरा नहीं था, I was carrying that.
Mm.
So, I feel a lot more lighter emotionally.
Wow, amazing. Wow, good. Thank you so much, Komal, for sharing. Let's hear it from you, Pranavi.
Can you just repeat the question, Karishma?
I asked you if you would recommend anybody to be a part of this book reading club. What would you tell them? What has shifted for you? What is something good about this book reading club because of which they must join it?
Yeah, actually, I would tell that, you know, before sleeping, your subconscious sense will be very active. So
Mhm.
that's the right time to sow the seeds into your brain. And this book reading will definitely help the people because you just don't go for a normal reading. You would make us to think, and a lot of brainstorming would also happen, and we would think. It's not only about our perspective. We would
Mm.
also listen to the other people's perspective, and in this way, you will know the whole essence of that subject in different directions.
Mm.
And after reading, we'll definitely sleep off. So that will again pregnate, or that will grow,
Mm.
and in this way, you can reach to a higher evolving levels as well. So this is the right time, and you rarely get trainers to go through this book reading at this particular time. So
Mm.
this is the right choice to opt.
Wow, that's sweet. That's kind. Thank you, Pranavi. And in fact, I would say thank you to each one of you for being with me on this journey. And that means a lot to me.
Yeah, thank you to you also, Karishma. Otherwise, I seriously wouldn't have patience to just open the book and read before the sleep. I mean, at a consistent level.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And let's hear it from you, Preeti.
Mm. I like the energy of the group, like your positivity, or like always like you are so welcoming and positive. And every day I'm like working on myself. It's for my like inner growth, and it's like increasing my knowledge. Yeah, every day I'm like working on myself. That is the main thing. Yeah, I'm enjoying it here.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And it really means a lot to me that you all are loving this energy. You're loving the way we are going ahead with the books as well as the discussions that we are having. That means a lot to me. And yeah, that's about it. आज का सेशन क्लोज करते हैं. And God bless each one of you. Sleep well. And Madhulika, I really wish and I'll pray for your dad to get well soon, that he recovers really soon. And yes, God bless each one of you. Lots of love.
Thank you, Karishma.
Good
Thanks a
night.
lot.
Thank you so much, Karishma.
Good night.